Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. This one that is about identity. So we have s minus a multiplied by s plus a. So I will put this one go to the denominator. We know that when s approach to capital A, this one in here, like this, they will get about number 1. So the final answer we need to write. So we put capital A in here over number 1. So we have 2A. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.